Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Eoir account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for Eoir login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Executive Office of Immigration Review. Click Agree and click on Case Portal Login. Now what you need to do is press continue. If you want the payment portal, this is it for you. So if you want to click on the Eoir payment portal, click on it and then it will lead you to this payment portal, which is the official portal of Eoir. Go ahead and write down your A number, your filling type and the amount, and then click pay now. This way you can pay for your Eoir. So if you want to log in for case, go ahead and click case portal login, press continue and it will lead you to a different login portal. So you can see this Microsoft portal has opened up. Go ahead and write down your email address, press next and write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Eoir portal. I hope this video about how you can log into your Eoir portal was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.